Back it into the space on this side of the red vehicle.
So it would be lining up with his. Oh, I'm a little far here.
You lining up? No, not really.
No.
What are you aiming for, though?
So it would be his right, like his back light?
Yeah, the passenger side.
Okay.
Passenger side brake light, yeah. This time it's all the way to the right this time. Excellent, yeah. Good. And then if you needed to fix it, you would just kind of snake it out that way and then back again.
Okay.
All right, let's go find two cars. Between two cars. I guess we'll make it like here. And then a right turn down this one here. I don't really want to use the Food Basics parking lot. Down that one here. And let's go down this lane. Right here. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and we'll park it beside the blue one over here.
Tesla.
Yeah.
Lining up with both the same.
Yeah. So let's say there was a car in that on that side. So at this point you'd stop and just kind of fix reposition your vehicle so that you get about, I don't know, about that much space for me to open the door.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that's perfect. So long as the nose of your vehicle is tucked in, it's not hanging out in the laneway, this is good.
Parking brake engaged.
Yes, parking brake. Let's make a left here. There's the blue bin. There's a space right beside the blue bin here. We'll swing it out and park it forward this time. Yeah, perfect. Okay. They'll ask you to do these two maneuvers, backing into a space and forward parking.
Okay.
But they'll ask you to do the backing into a space only if they can't find a car out there to do parallel parking with.
Okay.
And if they do the parallel parking, all they get you to do is pull into a space forward.
Okay.
Yeah. But you want to be ready for anything. So.
Yep.
Okay, let's take off and we'll back the car up to the right and head out that way. down this way here. And at the stop sign, we'll make a left turn. Just like driving through mashed potatoes and gravy.
Yeah, I know. It's a weird feeling.
Eat and run Indian cafe. Like,
Yeah,
take it and go.
There's a few of them here.
Yeah. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one yet. Take it and go. At the end of the lane over here, we're going to make a right turn.
Okay.
That's Long Lake.
Yeah.
At the next set of lights, we're going to turn left. See the last 3 yellow broken lines right here? That's where you want to cut it. General rule of thumb, so that you don't end up getting in there too early.
Okay.
This is where they were going to build the entertainment district.
$600 million in there.
Yeah. They got this road all ready.
Oh yeah.
They had the driveways ready to go on you'll probably won't see them now, but the entrance to driveways, there's like about 4 or 5 of them.
Perfect spot for them too.
Would be, yeah. Now it's just a pile of rocks. I don't know what they're going to do with this. Build more malls or something. Those are filled with rock. It's just like big boulders like this.
Big rocks from here, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they had it already.
Yeah. At the lights here, we're going to turn left. It's got a nice little camera here.
Yeah.
I think that's for these bins, these type of garbage bins right here. You get hooks.
Yeah.
They erases it. We're gonna go straight at the lights. You ever try Osmos?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, eh?
Oh yeah. Very.
Yeah, they got one right here.
Like, probably my
Yeah, me too.
chicken shawarma.
Oh yeah, that's the best
favorite.
one. On the rocks.
Yeah. Yeah.
You get sticks or rocks?
The rocks.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
All the time. I love the way to name that too. With
Yeah.
the sticks and rocks. It's cool.
This intersection has a red light camera now.
Does it?
Yeah, it's one of the 6 intersections with red light cameras. See if you recognize this area. Does it look familiar? It might. never been to Llewellyn High School? No?
I wondered where this was for like
Yeah, there it
12
is.
years, and I had no clue. Huh.
Yeah, Llewellyn Park right here. This is Loach's Road.
Yeah, I didn't even know that that's where it was. Okay.
Saw some pictures of, where was this? Down south, I think. Oh no, Fort Erie.
Fort Erie. Oh, yeah.
It got like hammered.
Yep. I got family down there.
All the ice and everything, all over the house is
beside
crystallized.
Beside the lake there.
We're gonna turn right here.
Yeah. Oh, is that my dad?
What?